Today's weather was influenced by a dominant ridge pattern, keeping conditions mostly dry and breezy across the islands. Now, Tobago experienced a few cloudy patches that brought brief showers, but overall, it was a calm and pleasant day. As we wrap up the day, tonight's weather will stay on the quiet side, so expect partly cloudy skies and a cool 22 degrees in Trinidad and 24 degrees over in Tobago. Now, these are our current temps, but they will decrease as the night progresses. There may still be a low chance of that isolated shower or that odd shower, but it won't be very long. It'll be a brisk odd shower for you guys that experience it. Between our sunrise and sunset times, you'll have your sunrise coming in just before 6:30 a.m. and your sunset will come in 6 p.m. on the dot for Trinidad, but a few minutes before 6 p.m. over in Tobago. Now, tomorrow, the ridge will remain in control, keeping conditions similar across both islands. Look forward to a predominantly sunny and breezy day with a few clouds breaking up the sunshine. There's also a slight chance of a brief shower here and there, especially near hilly areas. Now, if we look at our temperatures, we'll start off with 23 degrees at 6 a.m. So you'll have a cool morning and we get that peak temperature of 31 degrees here in Trinidad or 30 degrees over for Tobago. As the night progresses, we get down to a cool 25 by 10 p.m. and then you'll have that repeat of a 22 degrees going into the next day. Now, taking a step out to the wider Caribbean, January spotlight often shines on cold fronts. For those wondering, a cold front is the boundary where a cold air mass meets a warmer one. Because cold air is denser than warm air, it forces its way upward, leading to cloudiness, showers, thunderstorms, wind shifts, and cooler temperatures. These cold air masses typically originate in the north and slowly drift south. Currently, there's a weak cold front stretching from the central Atlantic all the way down through the southern Bahamas and Hispaniola. Now, it's not particularly strong as seen by its limited cloud cover on our satellite image. However, next week could bring one of the strongest cold fronts of the season, and that's around January 15th. It is forecasted to develop off the coast of the U.S. and push southward. Now, this system might bring more noticeable changes to our region. We'll keep you updated as the week progresses, especially if you have any travel plans. Switching back to home and into our seas, although the hazardous seas alert has been lifted, occasional choppiness from lingering long-period northerly swells remains a concern. Seafarers are advised to stay cautious when venturing out to sea. With that in mind, seas are currently moderate, with our waves being between 1.5 to 2 meters and your sheltered areas less than 1 meter in those sheltered periods.